Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. Today I'd like to take the time to talk to you about 59 through 64 Impala steering. Now you may or may not know that we already built a steering kit for the Impalas which fixes the bump steer, and it's a power steering conversion. What you may not know is this particular kit here is special for the 409 cars. The standard kit running small block, and then you go to a 409, there's a difference in the oil pans between the two, and the 409 oil pan actually has a deeper sump to it. So what happens is if you try to put one of these steering kits on a 409 car, you'll have an interference problem between the Centerlink and the oil pan. Well, we have a part for that. Let me show you something here. This here is a Centerlink portion for a 409. You notice how this drops down? On the ones that we have for the standard 327s, what have you, or small blocks, the shaft looks like this. There's no notch. So if you have a 409, or you've done a motor swap that has a deeper pan than the original 327s, you're going to need this. So this kit, part number is an ST5964GS9. The 9 specifies that notch in the Centerlink, and that's going to make this fit. What this kit is going to do for you is it's going to give you, one, power steering, and some of you may already have power steering, but you wander all over the place. This is going to take care of this because it's all integral. The bump steer is also corrected, and that's where the wandering comes from. Even if you tried to run the factory Centerlink, that's why we give you a new Centerlink, even if you tried to run the factory Centerlink, you'll still have bump steer because the factory missed the pickup points by over 1.5 inches per side. That's why this kit is so popular. So what you get, steering box, idle arm, pitman arm, sway bar, complete steering linkage, intermediate shaft, coupler, everything that allows you to bolt this in. One thing you must know with kits like this, 50-50 chance on whether it will interfere with the radiator because of the box location. We have to put the box at a specific location, that's what this plate is for, so we have accurate geometry for steering to work properly. So the radiator is a 50-50 shot. There's aftermarket radiators that are available that accommodate the box swap. So you're not out on a limb, but you must know it's a 50-50 chance. So the part number for this is an ST5964GS-9, complete system.